It is a bright good morning here, and I welcome you once again to my channel. My name is Yamikash, and in this video I am going to be sharing with you how to make corned beef shito with a new style of making shito. Oh yes, so sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. So with me here I have onions, spices, and then I have the shrimps which I'll be blending. Then I have bay leaves and star. People normally call it star or star of anise. Then I have my 2 cubes of Maggi, powdered pepper, and I'll be making use of curry powder. Then also I have garlic, ginger, oil, and my corned beef. Now I'm going to list, or I have listed everything in the description for you, so do not worry about it. Everything has been listed. All the ingredients I used have been listed in the description. So I'll start by pouring water on the onions and start peeling them. Once I'm done, I'll do same to the garlic. So to the ginger, I wash it very well because I'm not going to peel the skin of it. I'm going to add everything. I cut it into pieces and then rewash these vegetables once again. When I'm done rewashing them, I'll cut the onions into smaller chunks and then put them in the saucepan I'll be using. So here I'm done with the cutting and chopping of everything, and beneath it I have the ginger and the garlic. Now I'm going to pour on it oil. You know, shito needs a lot of oil, so you have to add a lot. In this video I used 1 liter of oil, and the oil has to be what you have and your preference. It doesn't necessarily means you need to have, or you have to have exactly what I was using. Actually, I used sunflower oil. So I cover it and transfer it to the fire to start. I will be like frying it, or yeah, since it is in oil, it is not boiling it but frying it. So in there I have the ginger, I have the garlic and the onions. So I'm going to fry this till it is brown in color, not too brown, you understand. And please make sure you be stirring at intervals to prevent it from burning. When you burn the onions and the ingredients inside the oil, then everything is kaput. You spoiled your shito. As you can see, this is how it should be looking like. It is not really brown and it is not really white. At least it is translucent. In a frying pan or in any pan, I'll scoop in some of the oil and then transfer it to the fire. Now what we are going to do, or what I'm going to do now, is to fry the corned beef. You know, corned beef is wet and shito is a dry sauce. You don't have to put the corned beef directly into the shito. No, you're going to spoil your shito. So you have to fry your corned beef till it is well dried. Yes, I have seen a lot of videos where the people, or those who did it, just put their corned beef inside the shito. I'm not saying it is bad, but to me, I think you have to fry your corned beef. While the corned beef is frying, I will go ahead and blend the onion, the garlic, and the ginger very well. Now I like to use this blender because I see it as a blender for lazy people like myself. Now you can see the corned beef has changed in color, very dry, and it is really nice, trust me. So to see that it is well done, you see that it has started forming on top. When you see that, that means your corned beef is good to go. You can take it from the fire and then transfer the blended ginger, garlic, and the onions on your fire. You can see how beautiful this is. Start cooking it. So I'll add bay leaves and the star of anise or star to it, and then leave it to fry. Onion is frying, so I gotta blend my spices. Now, as I said earlier on, all the ingredients I used are listed in the description for good reading and for you. You understand? So I'll pound or blend the spices that I'm using, but if you have the powdered ones too, you can actually use that one too. And if you have your powder or your spices of your choice to, go ahead, add it to it. Now this, as the shrimps, I'll go ahead and blend it in the coffee blender, so you can see the onion mixture. It will start browning. See how beautiful it is, and see how easy. Actually, it started browning just in 15 minutes. Just 50. It is so easy. I added in the pepper, powdered pepper, and only 1 tablespoon of tomato paste or tin tomato. Give it a good stir and leave it to continue doing its magic. See how beautiful it is. At this point, I'll add my 2 cubes of Maggi, add the curry powder, and add my blended spices. But I sieved it. Give it a gentle, good, beautiful, thorough stir and leave it to continue doing its magic. Now I taste for salt, added more salt to it since it was not enough, and stir it again. After some time, you can see the shito is so beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, I'll go ahead and add the corned beef, the fried corned beef. I'll add the blended shrimps to it and stir it. At this point, you don't want your shito to get burnt, so you reduce the flame or the heat under your shito. After some time, or when you are okay, when you see that your shito is okay, bring it out from the fire and set it somewhere for it to cool down completely. Now to the labeling, this is how I labeled my shito. Actually, I'm not selling it. I was not selling it and I'm not selling it. It is just so yummy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you did learn 1 or 2 things, and I hope to see you around soon and in my next video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the shito, and if you are going to try it, let me know. When you try it, let me know. Thank you very much, and always remember to do everything in love. Stay blessed. Choose.